Billions of knowledge, ज्ञान के क्षेत्र. Human beings are gifted with the ability to reason, question, and the ability to improve upon communication skills. On this basis, humans have been able to convey ideas, spread messages, make inquiries, and provide solutions. Various mediums have been used for this purpose. With the advent of civilized societies, a marked improvement in communication techniques has been noticed. Let us now read the story of writing and communication. Writing is an important way in which people communicate with each other. Signs and symbols marked on a surface convey certain ideas to the reader. The earliest form of writing was drawing or painting. This was an easy form of expressing ideas, but it was time consuming. Thus, a simple form was developed which merely used signs and symbols. The first people to introduce a proper system of writing were the submarines of Mesopotamia. The symbols and signs used for writing were replaced by the alphabet, which were introduced by the Greeks. The oldest scripts in India have found in the scripts of the Indus Valley civilization. Archaeologists have given the task of deciphering the scripts to learn. Researchers, the Indian scripts used today have their derivations from the Brahmi script. Number sticks, stones, pebbles have been counting devices for a long time. In fact, India were the first people who used the 10 fingers for counting. It was an Indian who first introduced the concept of zero. The Arabs learned this from the Indian system, which forms the basis of international system of numbers. Was perhaps the greatest achievement in the field of communication. Human beings had been changing raw material into finished products for centuries, and paper was such a product. Paper making as an art was first developed by the Chinese nearly 2000 years ago. They soaked old ranks in water for a long time and then beat them to pulp. The art of paper is derived from papyrus, a reed which was used by ancient Egyptians. They used this material to write on it. They used to cut stalks